Hey guys, today we're doing an unboxing of the MBS drop-through longboard, the green version. There's pretty much, I was looking through YouTube and there's no videos on this exact model, so I decided I'd do an unboxing of it. So the packaging is pretty standard, just round box. Look like there's a couple holes I'm not too happy about, but that doesn't really matter. Open it up. They did tape the tip. Here it is. Looks pretty good. It's the green version. It's 7mm wheels. Really soft actually. I was expecting a little harder, but for $100 can't beat it. Does look very nice. I do like it. It's got a little bit of concave. It's 41 inches long, drop through. I'm liking the stain on the back. Black. And longboards. I bought this off of Amazon. I think shipping was like $5, something like that. Not too bad. But I will go out and ride it, and I'll make a review on it later. Alright, thanks for watching.